Jurors in the Kosta Diamantis trial spent the whole day deliberating, asking the judge only one question as they consider the 21 counts of bribery, extortion, and lying to federal investigators.
News 8 political reporter Mike Cerulli is live outside Bridgeport Federal Court with an exclusive TV interview with Diamantis, who's awaiting his fate. Mike?
Good evening to you, Dennis and Ann. Kosta Diamantis remains adamant that he did not accept bribes or shake down contractors when he was running the state's powerful school construction office. He did express some regrets about the actions and the events that led him to being in a federal courthouse, facing what could potentially be a very lengthy prison sentence. His defense attorney, Norm Pattis, said the fact that the jury's taken a full day now, asked a question, he says that's a sign that they're doing their jobs.
I think jurors work hard to get it right, and with 21 counts, it's not at all surprising to me that we're still at the end of today without a verdict.
Exiting court on Tuesday, defense attorney Norm Pattis said the amount of time the jury is taking is reassuring. Veteran trial lawyer and legal analyst Ryan McGuigan told us complex cases like these typically take a few days, but any longer than that could be a signal that the jury is siding with the defense's arguments.
If it goes anything past 3 days, so if it goes past Wednesday perhaps, then you'll see the prosecution sweating a little bit. But until then, this is pretty much normal.
Kosta Diamantis himself spent most of the day sipping cappuccinos and Coke Zero at a pizza shop near the courthouse. We met up with him there to see what's on his mind as the jury weighs charges that could result in effectively a life sentence for the 69-year-old. He reiterated his defense of all those payments he admitted to taking from construction contractors.
The payments that were owed to me were things that I was doing outside of school construction. It was referral work and it was legal work that I was doing, and I was owed those funds.
Prosecutors, of course, dispute that explanation, saying instead that those payments were bribes in exchange for Diamantis' help securing contracts. Even though he stands by his actions, Diamantis says he still has regrets.
If I was doing it again, I would have never done this, period, knowing that what it brought me. But at the time, I researched it. There wasn't anything ethically or legally, in my opinion, that prevented me from doing the work.
And as for that potentially looming question of prison time, are you afraid of going to jail?
Who wouldn't? Anybody's afraid from going to jail, I would hope. Do I deserve it? I do not. And I'm hoping the jury comes to that.
And that one question the jurors asked, it was of a technical nature about the extortion charges. They asked the judge if they had to rule unanimously on both elements of the extortion charges. The judge said they did, and they're due back tomorrow for another day of deliberations. Of course, if there's a verdict, we'll bring it to you live on air and online, WTNH.com. Reporting live in Bridgeport tonight, I'm Mike Cerulli, News 8.